So the first kind of problem we'll be working on today are equations we need to solve. We happen to have one variable on one side, and we're trying to isolate the variable, or in this case, get x by itself. So we use the subtraction property of equality to get started. We subtract 8 from both sides of our equation. Will leave us with 4/5 x equals 12. Now we have two options. Our first option, to undo the multiplication, is to use the division property of equality and divide both sides by 4/5. When we do this, 4/5 divided by 4/5 is 1, so we're left with 1x equals 12 divided by 4/5. This can be tricky to do in our heads at times, but by the definition of division, we can rewrite this as 12 times 5/4. Right? Division means to multiply by the reciprocal. And when you multiply these two rational numbers together, we end up with 60 over 4, which is equal to 15. Now we did have a second option here. And our second option, from the point 4/5 x equals 12, is just to multiply by the reciprocal from this point using the multiplication property of equality. And this is beneficial because we are using the reciprocal property or the inverse property. Two numbers whose product is 1 are reciprocals, so their product must be 1x. And we're at the point of 12 times 5/4, which will give us 60 over 4 again. And we're left with x equals 15. So our final answer in this case is x equals 15. Now we do have an option to check our work. You can always do that when solving equations. Again, the original problem was 4/5 x. We thought that x should equal 15. So by substitution, it should be true. And 4/5 times 15 is 60 over 5 plus 8. 60 over 5 is 12, because 60 divided by 5 is and 12 plus 8 is indeed 20. And we've checked our work just in case. If we had a calculator, we could do this on the calculator as well. We know